A robot rarely fails from 1 second to the next. In most cases, there are early warning signs. Movements take longer, paths are no longer followed precisely, or individual positions gradually become less accurate. This is exactly where predictive maintenance comes in. The goal is to detect changes before they lead to downtime, quality problems, or expensive repairs. For this demonstration, I use a simple robot program in which several positions are approached one after another. First, I record the complete normal motion sequence. To do this, I open my new URCaPX for PolyScope X and start the recording. This motion then serves as the reference for future monitoring. The recorded path can be displayed and analyzed directly in a 3D view. I can also assign a specific operation to the recording and define exactly which values should be monitored. For example, the system can check whether the robot is still following its path correctly, whether individual movements are taking longer, or whether unusual deviations are occurring at specific positions. If the defined limits are exceeded, a message is automatically displayed on the Teach Pendant. At the same time, a signal can be sent to the PLC or another higher-level system. All relevant information and trends are stored. The 3D visualization makes it possible to see exactly where a deviation has occurred. This means potential problems become visible before the robot actually stops. Quality, process stability, and the maintenance condition of the robot remain transparent at all times. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok so you don't miss any new features.